Yeah.
Today in our kitchen, we'll be making a really healthy and easy recipe of Greek salad. I'll be showing you how to make the salad and how to make the dressing, which makes the salad really healthy and yummy to eat. This can be used as a side dish or as a main dish, and I will show you how. So it looks so colorful and it's yummy as it looks. So let's get started. So now we're gonna start with the lettuce. You can take any lettuce of your choice, like the iceberg lettuce or just how I've taken, or you can even take the pieces and you just cut it. You must make sure you cut all the vegetables the same shape and same size. Now you're gonna take the cutted salad and put it in a bowl. And then we're gonna take two colors of bell peppers. I'm taking green and yellow. You can take the red one as well, but it's only up to you what color you like. So I'm taking two colors here, and then I'm gonna cut it into small die shapes, and I'm gonna put it on top of the lettuce. And then I'm gonna do the same with the green one. And then we're gonna put it next to it. And then I'm gonna take one English cucumber and then cut it into half and then slice it like this. And I put it next to it. And same with the cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna cut the cherry tomatoes into half. You don't have to take cherry tomatoes. You can just take one big tomato and cut it into small pieces. And I'm gonna just add the cherry tomatoes on the side. You can see how colorful it's looking because all our vegetables are different colors. And green vegetables are really healthy for your health. It has iron and it has everything that gives you nice blood cells. And now we're going to add in green olives. You can add in black ones as well. So now we're going to take it out of the syrup and just add it in there. And then we're going to take one slice of feta cheese and cut it into small pieces and add it on top as well. And then I'm going to take sweet corn and just add it on top. And then I'm going to show you how to make the Greek salad dressing, which makes us a real deal Greek salad. I'm going to take half a lemon and squeeze the juice out of it. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You have to add in olive oil. You cannot opt for any other oil but olive oil because this is a healthier option. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic chopped. This is really going to give us that nice tangy taste. And then some salt and black pepper. And then we're going to give it a nice quick mix here. You can make this a main dish by adding in any protein of your choice like chicken, fish, or anything else that you like, even bologna if you want, and it will become a main dish. For now, we'll make it as a side dish. Now I'm going to pour the dressing on top. We're going to spread it all over so that it's evenly spread out. And then I'm going to take 2 spoons, and just toss it around so that Greek dressing can be evenly spread out even at the bottom. So there we go, our Greek salad is ready and ready to be served. It's so easy to make and so yummy to have. So please do like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.